Once upon a time, in a far-off land called India, there lived a man named Mahatma Gandhi. He was no ordinary man. He was a peaceful warrior who fought for justice in the most extraordinary way. Gandhi was born in a simple family. As a boy, he was quiet and loved to read. He believed in telling the truth, even when it was hard. When he grew up, he went to a faraway land called England to study law. There, he learned about freedom and justice. Gandhi believed in a special kind of fight. He didn't use guns or swords. He used peaceful protests and words. He led people in India to stand up to unfair laws. They marched peacefully and made their own salt, showing that they would not be ruled unfairly. Gandhi's message of peace and unity spread like wildfire. He wore simple clothes and lived a simple life to show that everyone could be equal. And guess what? His peaceful protest worked. India became free from British rule. But Gandhi's work didn't stop there. He taught the world that even one person can make a big change. He believed that we should all be kind to one another and treat each other with respect, no matter who we are. So, my young friends, remember the story of Mahatma Gandhi. He showed us that even in the face of injustice, we can use peace and love to make the world a better place. Gandhi's life is a reminder that we should always strive for a world where everyone is treated with kindness and respect. The end.